If you are starting an online business, agency, or service-based company, you have probably heard about the GoHighLevel, a platform that promises to put many business tools into one place. But if you are new, the setup can feel confusing at first. Many beginners ask, where do I start? How do I connect my leads? And how do I build automations or funnels? In this video, I will walk you through a GoHighLevel tutorial for beginners with a full setup guide so you can get your system ready step by step. GoHighLevel is not just a CRM. It combines customer management, marketing automation, funnels, calendars, emails, and SMS follow-ups, and many more inside a single platform. This can save you money and time because you don't need many separate tools. But because it has so many features, knowing where to begin is the most important first step. So let's just start from the beginning and take it slow. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to set up the powerful tools without stress or confusion. In this video, we are going through a full GoHighLevel tutorial for beginners by showing you exactly how to set up your account, how to capture leads, how to build automation, and start to running campaigns. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to try GoHighLevel for yourself. By using the description link, you can get access for the 30 days free trial on GoHighLevel, not traditional 14 days, and you can get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses from GoHighLevel to get started. So check the link from description and grab the offer and enjoy your 30 days free trial. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The very first step after signing up on GoHighLevel is to complete your business profile and basic settings. This includes adding your business name, logo, email address, and phone number. It also includes connecting your domain or branding so the emails and messages you send, they'll look more professional and come from your own business address. These settings might seem small, but they affect deliverability and trust when you communicate with your audience. After your profile is ready, the next step is to connect your communication channels. GoHighLevel lets you send emails, SMS messages, and even make the calls directly through the platform. So to do this, you need to connect your email provider, phone number, and messaging systems. This means verifying your email and setting up SMS credits if needed. Once these are connected, GoHighLevel is ready to send automated communication on your behalf. Now that your account is ready, it is time to set up your first pipeline or funnel. Many beginners start by capturing leads through a simple funnel. Funnels are pages where your visitors enter their name and contact information in exchange of something valuable, like a free guide, consultation, or discount. GoHighLevel has a drag and drop funnel builder that makes it easy to create landing pages. So you can choose a template and you can customize it with your own text, images, and brand colors. Once your funnel or landing page is created, you must connect it with a workflow. Workflows are the automation sequences that run when someone interacts with your funnel. For example, when a person submits their email, GoHighLevel can automatically send a welcome email, and GoHighLevel can follow up the sequence and SMS reminders based on the rules you set. This step is important because automation saves you from doing the manual follow-ups one by one. To build a workflow, you need to go into the automation section and start with the trigger. In this case, let's say form submitted or lead capture. Then you can add the step like sending an email, sending a SMS, creating a task for a team member, or adding a tag that help you to organize the contacts. This sequence ensures your leads get timely follow-ups without you having to remember each step manually. Next, let's talk about the calendar scheduling. GoHighLevel enables you to create the booking calendars so your prospects can schedule calls or meeting directly. You can set the availability, meeting length, and buffer times between the appointments. Once connected, you can share the booking link on your website, emails, or SMS and GoHighLevel updates your calendar automatically. This helps you to avoid the back and forth messages just to choose a meeting time. Now it is time to import or add contacts. If you already have leads, you can import them into GoHighLevel through a simple upload of your spreadsheet or integration with other tools. Once your contacts are inside GoHighLevel, you can organize them with tags, notes, and custom fields, so you know who needs to follow up. These tags also help you to segment your audience and send personalized messages. Once your contacts are organized and your automation are set, you can start sending campaigns. GoHighLevel has campaign tools that allow you to send the broadcast emails or multi-channel sequences. Always plan your message flow first so that you can send too many messages at once. Good campaigns help you to stay connected without annoying your audience. Another powerful part of GoHighLevel is the reporting dashboard. It shows you how your funnel are performed, how many leads you captured, how many appointments were booked, which messages are opened, and many more. Reviewing these reports help you to improve your system over the time, so you can make smarter decisions based on the real data instead of the guesswork. Finally, remember that setting up GoHighLevel is not a one-time task. As your business grows, you will refine your funnels, build more workflows, and add new campaigns, update your messaging based on what works best. And the key is to start with simple systems and improve them step by step. So to conclude, a beginner GoHighLevel setup includes the completing your business settings, connecting email and SMS, building a funnel, creating the automation workflows, setting up calendars, and engaging contacts and sending campaigns. Once these fundamentals are in place, you are ready to run follow-ups automatically and grow your business with less manual work. So that's it for today's video. If this GoHighLevel tutorial helped you to understand how to set up your account from scratch, give this video a like and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more videos like this and for more simple tech tutorials and step-by-step guides. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.